Hey guys, welcome back. I mean, not welcome back. This is another part of our farm. Part of the farm tour. This is the barn. A lot of things happen here. We got a couple things I'm gonna show you around with. We got this trailer which was donated. We use that for graffiti. We also have the Ezra's, or I guess I don't know who owns that anymore, but go-kart. Wheels. I don't even want to get into that thing. Mower, Gotta have one of those.
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah, those are my dogs. They, get abused. I'm just kidding. Oh, baby. She's ran away 2 times in the last day. Anyways, yeah, over here is where we keep our chickens, If you know, you know.
Oh dear.
It's chicken, You've seen chickens, we're farm people. But, yeah, anyways, we got a,
That is good.
got,
Right, Bubby?
dude, why is there
Yeah,
a,
don't break it.
why is there an American flag ran over? John Deere, we use this thing for about everything. It's really been through a
Some
lot
camera
of,
shots.
been through a lot of trauma, exhaust pipe, every farm needs a good mower. Because, grass exists, guys. I mean, look. I'm just kidding. I don't use a mower. I just use this. I use this to cut every single one of, grass, just like a scythe, I did all this with this. I didn't use that because I like to use things the old-fashioned way. So all I did was just use this for everything. So
Why is there tire
don't
marks?
look at them. No,
Why is there
they don't count. What?
Why is there tire marks?
Tire marks? I don't know. That was you.
You said you know with your scythe though.
That was you. No, I mowed with the scythe.
Why is
That was just my go-kart driving.
Oh, I thought it was broken.
I mean my mini bike.
Yeah,
My
okay.
motorcycle. Turkey stalls. We had 3 of them. 1 died, and then the 2 just disappeared. I came in here, do my farm chores, and then I look inside, and they're gone. No blood, no feathers, no anything. So yeah, another trailer. This one actually restored. This is a really cool one. I wish I would have made a video about it, but this was actually my restoration project. I took this trailer. I found it here. It was over there, all rusted. And I actually just put some new wheels on it. Look. New wheels. I also gave it this awesome custom, just blue paint.
I'm sorry, I missed it.
Good. New paint. I also spray paint. Come to this side. Come to this side.
Fine, JP.
There's junk. Jensen Family Farms. You can see it.
Looks like a Ghost Rider.
You can see our farm name. I etched it in there, super nice. I use that calligraphy, or whatever you call it. Got it nice. There's a diesel tank over here too. Our cameraman, Jaron Jensen's up there right now.
I ain't no cameraman.
I ain't no cameraman neither.
That I subscribe because of me. Oh yeah.
Anyways, yeah, we got a diesel tank here. It does things, we just kind of play on it and shoot at it and throw eggs at it. But that's about, all. Got a hay loft up there. But yeah, this is the farm tour. That's about all there is. I mean, if you live on a farm, Shut! Electric fence, got sheep over there. Can't forget the chicken. We got little Farmer Bubby right here. Hey, Farmer Bubby.
Hey.
Doing your undies.
No.
Yeah, Farmer Bubby. We make it happen. If any of y'all have farms, there's not much there is on a farm. I mean, it's just you got your animals, you got your barn. There ain't much. I have a tent over there, Airbnb, $5 a night. Let me know down in the comments if y'all want to stay on a farm like this, because yeah, farm tour. Just let me know, guys, because Airbnb, I'll charge you $5 a night. We don't have customer service. It's just You just stay there. There's no furniture either. It kind of blew over though. The tent blown over. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's about all there is to show on the farm tour. I'll probably make another one in about a year of just, you know, whatever there is to show. Dolly, we got 2 others. They're all just big scumbags. They don't really do nothing. Let's hear it purr.
Hey, watch out, buddy.
Let's just say it's been through a lot of abuse on a different level. Nothing really survived on this farm. Give me that back.
Sweet home Alabama.
Yeah, that about concludes it. Cool.